So today I am actually reinstalling the charged battery in Blubski, the 76240D Mercedes. I tried starting this thing last week and the battery was completely dead. Shouldn't be that surprising. It barely started in February, last time you guys saw this car. So I took the battery home, just brought it back, and you'll be experiencing the hopefully first start of the season with me here. Can't remember if the fuel injector switch wow, there we go. Well, she started right up. Gotta love that. A little bit of mold in here, it looks like, which is too bad, but ugh, what a mess. Close the hood and at least take it around the block here. Sure does sound cool. Gotta love it. We inadvertently built a reliable car. Finally.